How to reset carrier furnace. If you're facing issue with your furnace, how you can simply step by step reset your machine from here. To reset it, if your carrier furnace stop working or is showing any error, a reset may fix the issue. Here is how you can do it. Step 1 is simply turn off the power first. Flip the furnace power switch, usually located on or near the unit. Looks like a light switch. You can see it will be visible, or turn off the breaker for the furnace at your home's electrical panel. Step 2, locate the reset button. The reset button is usually a small red or yellow button located on the blower motor housing or inside the control panel. You may need to remove a panel or door to see it. Now press the reset button. Once located, press and hold the button for about 3 or 5 seconds, then release it. If your furnace has overheated, the button may have popped out slightly, press it back in. Step 4 is restore power. Flip the furnace power switch back on or turn the circuit breaker back on. Wait a few minutes for the furnace to reboot and then observe. The furnace should start up. If it does not, check for blinking LED error codes or listen for clicking sounds. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it.